Hi, I'm Mike. I'm the founder of Emotion. We're a digital marketing agency based in Spain. We serve clients mainly in Spain and in Latin America. We do website building, social media, email marketing, sales funnels with webinars, etc. We are at the moment 4 people with some freelancers as well. And we give 5 stars to Elementor. So our WordPress environment goes back way like more or less 10 years ago. We started using the built-in WordPress editor, which if you have used it, it's very hard to work with, especially back in the days. There's no really visual way to develop your website. You need a lot of coding experience. Then we started using Divi, we call it here. Maybe it's Divi in English, I have no idea, but that's another plugin visual editor, let's say it, for WordPress. But it's a half-baked one. I mean, you have some control over what you can do, but really you still need some abstract understanding of how a website works. So definitely compared with Elementor, they're really bad. That's my thoughts about it. When we first knew about Elementor, we thought it was like, yeah, yet another one of those so-called solutions. What you see, editors that don't work. But once we tried it out, we soon realized that this is totally different, and it was really working great. We could actually put more design people on the website as well, which is actually one of the main things that we were looking for, that people without that much of coding experiences could actually, who are good in designs, that actually could build them visually. And that was actually the main reason. The drag and drop really worked well. The way you would build it was 95% already what people would see. And nowadays I would say 100% what people are seeing already, both on their mobile or on their laptop. Okay, so for existing websites, the integration was a bit tough in the sense that we had to create them from scratch again. Nowadays, with Elementor, the great thing that you can actually, if you already have an existing website made by another platform, another builder, you can actually copy it, and Elementor will use that, the codes, and will create the templates for you within Elementor, which makes it really, really easy to have it up and running. So that's not an issue anymore, right? But for every new website that we do, we just start with Elementor, and it's really easy to set up. It's really easy for everyone to work with. You don't need any coding experiences. Just if you know how to drag and drop some elements, and you have a basic understanding of how you want to create your website, then you're done. And actually, if you don't have any idea, there's so many templates already made for you that you can just select those templates and adapt them to the colors and your branding actually. So it's really, really easy to work with nowadays. Okay, so if you're new to website building, definitely start with Elementor if you're using WordPress as a platform. The basic version is for free, which already gives you a lot of things. As I mentioned, the drag and drop is really easy to use. I think if I put my grandmother on it, she would know how to use it, so that's really a plus. And then if you want to go a step further, you can go and pay for the Elementor Pro, which has some features that you don't have within the basic version, and it's really not expensive. So definitely go for it if you want to have a nice looking website for your goods or services that emits a professional design for your customers, then no doubt about Elementor.